Now let us today discuss exercise 3.3 question 3 part 6. The question is that five years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son 5 years ago. The Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? Now solutions. Let the present age of the Jacob, the present age of the Jacob equal to x year. Okay. Now and the present age of his son equal to y years. Alright. Now ATQ according to question is that 5 years here 5 years hence, and another situation 5 years ago. Alright. Here situation is that 5 years hence x plus k 5 equal to y plus k 5. A question is that 5 years hence the age of his son is 3 times. Now we multiply 3 here. Alright. Now in this situations x minus 5 because 5 years ago x minus 5 here. Now y minus 5. Then question is that 5 years ago the Jacob age was 7 times. Here Jacob age is the 7 times. Yes, we here multiply 7. Alright. Now solving these two conditions one by one, x plus k 5 equal to 3y plus k 15. Alright. X minus k 3y equal to 15, transposing 5 to the right minus 5. Alright. Now x minus k 3y equal to 10. This is the first equation. Now solving this, x minus k 5 equal to 7y minus k, 7 multiply 5 35. Alright. Now x minus k 5, now we transposing minus 5 to the right. Okay. 7y transposing to the left, the sign is change. Here sign is change, minus k 7y. Alright, 7y equal to minus k 35 plus k 5. X minus k 7y equal to minus k 30. This is the equation second. First equation is here, second equation is here. Now solving these equation one by one. Now from 1 we finding the value of x. We can finding value of the y also. Alright, there is no effect of the solutions. We can find x and either y. Right? Now we finding value of the x. X minus k 3y equal to 10. X equal to 10 plus k 3y. Now substituting. Substituting the value of x, in equation second, we get. Alright, we get. Now we solving here. Second equation is that x minus k 7y minus k 30. Alright, now putting the value of 10 plus k 3y, 10 plus k 3y. Alright, minus k 7y equal to minus k 30. Here 3y minus 7y. Now remaining minus k 4y equal to minus 30. Now transposing 10 to the right side, minus k 4y equal to minus 30 minus here 10. Minus k 4y equal to minus k 40. Now cancel minus on both sides, right? Which imply y is equal to 40 divided by 4. Cancel out is 10. The value of y equal to 10. Alright. Now finding the value of x. Okay. Now solving here. Now putting the value. And another way, substituting value. Substituting the value of y in equation first, we get. Now we can say that here putting the value of y either first equation or second equation, because solution both equation we get same, right? There is no effect the solutions of either we put the value of x in equation 1 and equation 2. Alright, now equation 1 is that x minus k 3y equal to 10. Alright, the value of y, here the value of y is 10. X minus k 3 multiply 10, 10. X minus k 30 equal to 10. X equal to 10. Now transposing 30 to the right, then becomes 30 plus, right? X equal to, now x equal to, marker is not running, we take a marker here. Here x equal to 10 plus k 30, then becomes 40. Alright, the value of x is 40. Now we conclude that here the value of x, is that the present age of the Jacob, and the value of y is here the present age of the his son. Now answer become the present age of Jacob equal to 40 years. 40 years. Now the present age of his son equal to 10 years. Okay, that is the answer of this question.